Looking to save some extra cash on your next trip? Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or international travels. In today's video, I will show you how to find promo codes for booking.com to unlock extra discounts. So, in your booking.com website, you can get a promo code via their loyalty program. Just tap the profile and you will get access to Genius loyalty program. Just tap. So, upon signing up, you will get this level 1 loyalty program. So, in this level, you will get the 10% discounts on your stays and selected rental cars. And for level 2, you will get 10 to 15% if you complete 5 bookings in 2 years. And for level 3, you will get 10 to 20% discounts and complete 15 bookings in 2 years. Another way to get a promo code is by checking out in speedies.com. So all you have to do is to search this Speedy Coupons website. Now here, click the speedies.com site. Once you navigate the site, all you have to do is search for booking. Now, once it displayed in search option, just select it. At the bottom, you can select which coupon you want to use and just tap show coupon and prompt you to unlock a code. Let's wait for a second. So in here, all you have to do is to complete to any of the tasks here and then you will get the promo code for that coupon. And if you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.